How to share folder or drive in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can share folder or drive in Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open up this PC in your device, select the drive that you want to share, right click on the drive. Click on Show More Options. Here click on Give Access To, then go to Advanced Sharing. Once you see this kind of pop-up, click on Advanced Sharing option. Here, select the first option or this option that says Share this folder. If you want to change the name, you can also do that, and then head over to the permissions. From here, you can manage permission. If you want to allow the full control, select the full control. And if you want to allow the permissions to change, you can also do that. Once you're done with that, click on OK, then click on Apply. Again, click on OK, click on Apply, and then again click on Close. After that, you will find a small share icon just below this drive, and now you could share the drive. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.